Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your Pinterest account into your private account. Just like you can do on Instagram and Facebook, you can also turn your Pinterest account into a private account. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So you can see I'm on my Pinterest wall here, so I need to tap on my profile here and then move to my profile settings. So I tap on that here, so you can see that. So it's very much simple and easy. On this page, you move to your profile visibility. So let me tap on that. Good. So you can see by default it's been turned off. So every Pinterest account when it's being created, it's a public account. Everybody can hop on it, view your pins and your bots. But then you can come on here and then you turn it on like this, and then you make it a private account. So when you make it a private account, only people you approve can see your profile. You get it, just like on Instagram. People you approve can see you there. And then search privacy will be turned on automatically as well. So this is how you turn on or you turn your personal Pinterest account into a private account. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.